Hey there, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you make a website using Hostinger AI. Currently, I'm inside Hostinger. You can see this is my profile. So this is my premium Hostinger account. So I will now go for the, this is the home page. Okay, you can see this is the home page, and you have to actually log into your account. I already logged in. Now we'll go here in this website section. We'll click here. Now here you can see I have three different website here. Now I'll click here add website. Okay, and here you can see we have multiple option here: Hostinger Horizons, then WordPress, then Hostinger website builder. Okay, you can see custom PHP and HTML website. Basically we are going to go with the Hostinger website builder. Okay, so we'll click here Hostinger website builder and paste the prompt here. Okay, for the prompt you can go to the ChatGPT and then you can ask for a prompt. You can see I get here a prompt. Now I'm going to copy this prompt. Okay, make sure you have give all the information about your project and then ask for the prompt. Okay, here I have copied the prompt and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, here you can see I have pasted it. Now I'm going to click here in this up arrow sign and it will actually generate the project for me. Alright guys, here you can see we have here cat portfolio website, and you can see it's functional and pretty awesome, right? You can see. So I'm going to continue here. Now if you want to change anything, you can actually click here edit idea. Okay, and then you can add something here. I mean, which portion you want to change, you can add here and hit enter here. Okay, or maybe you can click here this up arrow sign, then it will actually regenerate it. Okay, redesign it. Now here you can see this is for the PC and this is for the mobile version. You can see pretty solid website. So yeah, that's it guys. Now let's go continue here. Okay, click here continue, and here you can see now you can change anything here. Let's say any text, any title or anything, or you can change the logo also. You can see cat logo, and you can change all the style also. Now here it will actually work like CMS, I mean WordPress. Okay, or any other like Wix or any other CMS. Okay, so yeah, you can change and you can add section also by clicking here. You can see add section, and then from here you can choose any of these. Okay, then you can add blank section also, you can see, and then you can delete this if you need if you don't need this. Okay, all right, now you can drag and drop the section also, and let's say if you want to change this section, I mean if you want to put this section next to this section, you can actually drag and drop it here. You can actually do pretty much everything. Now you can see we have here pages. Here we have home, then feature cats, then cat gallery, and every single page. Basically these are not section, these are different pages. Okay, so you can actually drag and drop the menu. Let's say if you want contact and studio before the cat gallery, you can actually get it here. You can see basically it's working, and here it's actually working like CMS, right? Content management system. You can add pages also, more pages, and here you can see style also, different style we have. Then AI tools, you can actually generate AI image. You can write a story through AI. Then you can actually write blog through AI. Basically pretty much everything you can do here with AI. Here you can see SEO assistant also. Yes, and you can make AI logo also. And here you can see you can actually add here a custom domain you have. If you have any custom domain, you can actually change the domain from here, or maybe you can actually go from here, go live, and then it will actually you can see publishing. Now you can see I can actually now share the website, so I'll copy this, okay, from here. And now let's say I want to go back in a new tab or new browser, then I can actually paste it here, and then I will check it that if it is published or not. Okay, so yeah, wait for this, and here you can see it's a pretty solid website. Awesome. I can see little animation. Okay, then feature cats, different page. Let's check it. Here you go. And yes, then we have cat gallery. Let's check it. Okay, fine, awesome. Then contact and studio. Here you go. Awesome. So yeah, you can actually generate fully functional website through Hostinger AI. Okay, That's it, guys. I have shown you how you can do create a fully functional and professional website using Hostinger AI. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.